Hi everyone! Welcome to the walkthrough of the NexWins Smart Project Templates. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through our Excel-based Kanban tool. How to create tasks, apply filters, move them across stages, and adjust the general settings. Everything you need to manage your projects in a more visual, simple, and organized way. Because project management doesn't have to be complex. You just need the right tool. Let's get started. What is Kanban? Kanban is a visual workflow management method that helps you organize tasks based on their current status. It's all about improving flow, staying focused, and tracking progress in real time. Now let's take a look at our Kanban board in Excel. Here you'll see 4 main columns. Backlog, where new tasks are added. To do, tasks ready to be worked on. In progress, what's currently being done and done. Completed tasks. This layout gives you a clear picture of your project at a glance. To get started, let's go to the General Settings section. Here, you can define how many tasks your project will include, whether it's 5, 10, or more. You can also customize the names of the main columns to match your workflow. Feel free to write them however you prefer, in uppercase, lowercase, or a mix. No matter how you enter them, the board will always display them in uppercase for consistency and clarity. Now let's go back to the General Settings, where you also have the option to reset everything to the default values with a single click. For this example, we'll work with a custom set of column names: To Do, In Progress, In Testing, and Completed. A flow that better fits the type of project we'll be managing. Let's start by creating tasks in our Kanban board. Click on the Add New Task button. In the form that appears, fill in the task details. Task name. Assign it to a team member. Set the due date and priority. Finally, select the stage, in this case, To Do, and click Submit. And just like that, your first task is created automatically. Now, let's create the 5 tasks we've set up for our project in the Kanban board. Kanban helps you visualize work, set priorities, and avoid bottlenecks. Great! We've just created our first 5 tasks. Remember that earlier we set a limit of 5 tasks per column. Let's see what happens if we try to add one more to the To Do column. We can't. To add another task, we either need to move one task from To Do to another column or adjust the task limit up to 10 in the settings. We now have our first 5 tasks. Let's edit them by updating their status or any other details. Click the top button, Edit Task, then select the task position number from the form. On the right, you'll see the current task details. On the left, you can update the information. We'll change the due date. Just click the calendar and select a new one. Next, update the status from To Do to In Progress. Click Submit, and the task is successfully updated and moved to the new column. Now that we know how to edit and move tasks between columns, let's move a couple more to the In Progress stage. As you can see, it's super easy. You can also update due dates, change priorities, or reassign tasks to teammates anytime. Just click Edit Task, make the changes, and hit Submit. It's that flexible and keeps your workflow always up to date. Let's keep moving tasks forward as the project execution continues. Now, we'll move a few tasks into the testing stage and others into completed. This way, you can easily track your team's progress, and your Kanban board always reflects the current state of the project in real time. Now, let's enable the task counters to quickly see how many tasks are in each stage of our project. Go to General Settings and check the box labeled Show Total Number of Cards per Phase. That's it. The counters will now be visible on the main board. Now let's learn how to apply filters in our Kanban board. Click on Set Filters, and you'll see a form where you can apply different types of filters. Task name, assigned user, date ranges, priority, or stage. For our project, we'll filter by assigned user. Then we click Apply Filters, and that's it. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of all the applied filters. To apply new filters, we first need to clear the current ones by clicking Clear Filters. This will reset the view and show all the cards in our project again. Let's apply another type of filter. This time, we'll filter by date and select due in the next 7 days. It's a great way to focus on what's coming up and prioritize your team's tasks effectively. Let's choose a custom date range. Select Custom, then set the start and end dates you want to filter. Now, let's add a filter for priority. Once the filters are applied, we can now see only the tasks that match the selected date range and priority on our Kanban board. Applying different filters allows you to quickly focus on what matters most, whether it's urgent tasks, specific team members, or upcoming deadlines, making project tracking faster and more efficient. Let's move those task cards forward, step by step, until everything lands in the completed stage. It's a great way to visualize progress and keep your workflow organized in real time. Watching your tasks progress across the board is not only satisfying, it gives you a clear sense of momentum and keeps your entire team aligned and motivated. Finally, let's delete our tasks and reset the Kanban board. Click on Delete Task, choose the task's position, and hit Delete. A confirmation box will appear. Accept it, and the task is gone. With everything we've covered, you now know how to create, edit, filter, and manage tasks with ease. Your Kanban board is ready to keep your projects organized and on track. Want to review each stage of the Kanban process in more detail? Just head over to the Instructions menu, where you'll find a direct link to our website with the full user manual. There, you can explore everything step by step, from the origins of Kanban, how to use the NexWins Kanban board template, customizing columns, managing tasks, applying filters, editing, deleting, and even troubleshooting common issues. And while you're there, make sure to visit our Smart Project Template store. You'll discover a wide collection of professional, ready-to-use templates built to help teams like yours accelerate results, improve organization, and manage complex projects with ease. They're fully customizable, easy to implement, and designed to get you working smarter from day one. Check it out and unlock the full potential of your projects, starting now. We are NexWins.